Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to organize your research articles using Notion, step by step. If you're tired of losing track of important journal articles, research papers, or study notes, this setup will help you keep everything organized in one clean and professional workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a research management system that makes studying, writing papers, and reviewing sources much easier and less stressful. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is choose a free research articles template inside Notion. Templates are incredibly useful because they already come with a professional layout and organized structure, saving you a lot of time. Instead of building a database from scratch, you can start with a polished setup and customize it later to fit your own workflow. To find the template, open Notion on your browser or desktop application and head to your main workspace. In the top left corner, you'll see a drop-down arrow near the name of your workspace or current page. Click on it to open additional options. If you don't notice it immediately, move your cursor slowly around the top left area until the menu appears. Once the menu opens, look for the option called Browse Templates. Click on it to open Notion's template gallery. This section contains ready-made layouts for productivity, note-taking, project management, academic research, and many other purposes. Now, go to the search bar and type Research Articles or simply Research. Notion will display several templates specifically designed for organizing academic papers, journals, and article databases. Take a few moments to review the available templates. Each one has a different style and workflow. Some templates focus on quick article summaries, while others include detailed properties such as author names, publication dates, journal titles, tags, citations, and categories for easier searching later. Choose the template that best fits your needs and click the Add button. Notion will instantly create a new page in your workspace with the database already structured for you. Now it's time to personalize your research tracker. Most templates include example fields like article title, author, publication year, journal name, citation links, and topic tags. You can edit any of these sections to match your own workflow. For example, if you're a university student, you might add fields for assignment relevance, research methodology, or key findings. If you're working on a thesis or book project, you may want sections for personal notes, ideas, or important quotes. Customizing these fields is very simple. Just click on a property name to rename it or use the plus button to create a new field. Next, begin adding your research articles. You can paste citations, upload PDF files, add direct links to online journals, or include summaries and highlighted notes. One of the best things about Notion is that everything stays in one place, making it easy to search and revisit information later. A helpful tip is to add all your current research articles first before worrying too much about perfect organization. Once you can see your full collection, it becomes much easier to sort, group, and improve the system over time. You can also enhance your workspace by adding tags, color coding, sorting articles by date, or linking related studies together. Notion is extremely flexible, so you can continue adjusting the setup as your research needs grow. And that's it. You've now created a professional research article management system in Notion that helps keep your papers, journals, and study materials organized and easy to access. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone looking for a better way to manage research and academic work. Feel free to leave your questions or favorite productivity tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.